Hi, my name is Jennifer O'Donoghue, and I am the Deputy Director of the Center for Universal Education at the Brookings Institution in Washington, D.C. And I am thrilled to have been able to be here today at this global symposium on collaborative research and action to transform education systems, held today in Nairobi in Kenya. This event is part of an around-the-world series of events that we are doing where we are really trying to bring people together who are working to transform education systems. They're researchers, they're practitioners, they're teachers, educators, policymakers, funders, students, young people, and really bringing people together who have all of these different roles across education systems to share with one another the work that they have been doing, to learn more about what we can do, what needs to be done so that every young person can thrive, what needs to be done so that we strengthen the ecosystem, the system of relationships and people around young people, so that young people are able to thrive and that education systems are transformed in ways that fully support what young people need in today's world. Which is rapidly changing, and that changes every day what young people need. And so how do we ensure that that is happening? And you know, I think one of the main reasons for us from Brookings, we're an institution that's headquartered in Washington, D.C., and we have been working through the Center for Universal Education with partners around the world. We work with about 200 partners in 80-some countries on this question of education, this model of collaborative research and action to transform education systems. And this year we thought it was so important, more important than ever before, to be doing this work in countries around the world. And part of that is because this is where the people are, this is where they're doing the hard work, and we recognize that when we do an event in just one city in the world, we capture some of the people around that city, but we're missing many more people. And so, you know, today's event was a regional event for Africa, and we brought together people from 12 different countries, most of them from countries in Africa, but also countries in Asia, countries in Latin America, South America, North America, and really to be able to spend a full day together to deeply engage in these questions, again, of how do we work together to better ensure that every young person is able to develop what they need to thrive in this world. So what has come out of this meeting for me today here after being together for the past 8 hours or so is really, one, that there are so many people who are deeply engaged. We have a framework where we talk about the 3 C's, and this means we need people to be committed to the work, have the capacity to work, and for there to be a cohesion or a shared sense of what this work means and why it matters. And I think what's come out for me today is, 1, people are deeply committed, so there is very strong commitment. 2 is this cohesion, how important it is to have spaces like this where people can start to talk to one another about what is it exactly that we're working towards? What is this shared purpose that we have? And I think from today, that shared purpose again is really, 1, an understanding that the current systems aren't working for young people, that young people need to develop a broader range of skills, knowledge, relationships, beliefs, opportunities, so that they can thrive, and that in order to do that, we really need to rethink the purpose of education. And so that sense of a more cohesive understanding of what is the work that we're doing and why. And then this capacity piece, and that, you know, today and these events in general are meant to be a space where people are learning from one another. This is about peer learning. No one has the one solution, but the solution will come when we have more and more opportunities to engage with one another, to learn from one another, and to take that back to our spaces, so to be transformed ourselves. Our hope for the day was that every person would leave with a new question, a new reflection, and a new connection. And I think that is something that has definitely come out of this day, that we are leaving with additional questions. I have some additional questions, new perspectives, new reflections from engaging with others, and many, many more new connections. And this is what we've been trying to do, is really, again, to think about, there's no one answer. There are, you know, what is needed is for all of us to really work together and to be more coordinated with one another, so that we can continue to strengthen education systems, so that they can be responsive to a rapidly changing world. And that's what I think is coming out of this today. A lot of new connections, a lot of new reflections, and a commitment to working together as we move forward in the future.